Am I the only one that didn't know this pin could replace your whole phone? Seriously, no screen, just AI. Here's what's actually inside. We break down the Humane AI Pin, features real-world use, and if it's worth your money, let's dive in. The Humane AI Pin is a wearable AI assistant you clip to your shirt. It has a laser projector that displays a user interface on your palm, voice input and output with AI responses, gesture control and a camera for real-world interaction. No screen, no apps, just pure AI. It uses a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, runs on Humane's OS, and connects to the cloud via 4G LTE. The pin uses OpenAI's large language models, so it's basically ChatGPT on your chest, with extra sensors and a camera. You can say, "Summarize my texts," and it reads them back, or ask, "What am I looking at?" It uses the camera to identify it. Want directions? Just say where you're going. It's like a phone with no screen, driven fully by AI. Not quite. The laser display is cool, but it's hard to see in sunlight. No apps like YouTube or WhatsApp, and no browser either. But for calls, AI help, and basic tasks, it's futuristic and freeing. At $699 plus $24/month for the Humane subscription, it's expensive. The battery lasts about a day, and privacy is still a concern. There's a camera on your chest at all times. While Humane says it blinks to show when it's recording, not everyone is comfortable with it. The Humane AI Pin is bold, innovative, and still a bit rough. Is it a phone killer? Not yet. But it might just be the first step towards screenless computing. Would you wear one in public? Drop your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more futuristic tech breakdowns.